Vietnam, there is a festival in almost every season. In spring, we have Lunar New Year. In summer and winter, we have even more festivals. Among these festivals, the one that the children and adults look forward to most is the Mid-Autumn Festival, or Full Moon Festival. The cool weather in August is the perfect time for grandparents and parents to take their little ones to go out and enjoy the beautiful scenery, creating a lively and warm atmosphere.
As the Mid-Autumn Festival comes, the children are excited. The festival drums come in all sizes and colors and remind everyone of the atmosphere typical of the Mid-Autumn Festival. For the children at Home City, sitting under the red and blue lanterns and watching the lion dance have become an indispensable experience. And for the adults, the sound of the drum for the lion dance reminds them about the time when they were small, when they could eagerly prepare for the Mid-Autumn Festival in advance, cutting paper to make lanterns and waiting for the festival to come. The meaningful Mid-Autumn Festival will leave children with beautiful memories of this special holiday. After enjoying the lion dance, the children continue to enjoy another surprise that the organizers have carefully crafted for them. In the shimmering colors of the limelight and bustling music, the comedy show led by the Moon Goddess and the Man in the Moon create an exciting experience from beginning to end. Young participants perhaps look forward the most to the magic show from the artists of the Vietnam Circus Federation. The magician's talent keeps the audience in awe throughout the show. What is even more special is that young children also get to become real magicians on stage. And yet, the atmosphere of the show changes completely with this monkey circus number that everyone loves. The agility and ingenuity of the monkeys under the guidance of the talented handlers have brought many other surprises to the show.
To end the festival, the organizers will give some presents to the young participants. Although small, these presents contain in them the organizers' dedication to make sure that the young children are properly taken care of by the society and will enjoy a pure and happy childhood.